Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Ledger Nano X via Bluetooth. First, power on your Ledger Nano X and unlock it using your chosen PIN code. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is active on your computer or smartphone. Then, launch the Ledger Live application and proceed to the Manager section. This is where you will initiate the connection process, ensuring your device is ready for pairing. Once in Ledger Live, select the option to connect your Ledger Nano X. You will then choose the Bluetooth connection method. A unique pairing code will appear on both your Ledger Nano X screen and your smartphone. It is crucial to confirm that these codes are identical. After verification, confirm the pairing on both devices to establish a secure Bluetooth connection. With your Ledger Nano X successfully paired, you can now install various cryptocurrency applications directly from the Manager section in Ledger Live. For instance, you might install the Bitcoin or Ethereum app. This allows you to securely send and receive your crypto assets. Your Ledger Nano X can hold up to 100 applications at once, offering extensive asset management capabilities. For optimal security, always ensure your Ledger Live software and device firmware are up to date. Crucially, never share your 24-word recovery phrase. Keep it safe and offline. It is also a good practice to disable Bluetooth on your Ledger Nano X when you are not actively using it. Finally, always double-check all transaction details directly on your Nano X screen before confirming any action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.